To get your bulbs, get you a small flathead and push right here and here, and it should flop right open. All you have to do now is change out your bulbs. To speed up the process, the same way you see me replacing these bulbs with LEDs, the same way you're gonna do them on your front dome light. The only thing that's different is unclipping the case. The teeth are on top, and on the rear dome light, the one we're doing now, to unclip the case is on the side. Now we're gonna jump over to the front dome light, grab your flathead. You're gonna pinch right on top where the circles are at. Take off the clear lens and swap out your bulbs. Alright, after that, now we're gonna show you how to do the sun visor LEDs. You come right here, pop the little teeth open,